Hello guys, today we are going to see how we can add an extra volume storage to an EC2 instance. So there will be some situation where the storage will be full, so we need to add an extra volume to it. So let's learn this. So initially we need an instance. So first we'll launch to get to know like how we can launch an instance. Please go through my previous tutorial. So yeah, as I explained in previous tutorial, let's skip all these. So yeah, we can see by defaultly we'll be getting an 8 GB storage for an free tier. So we'll launch an EC2. Let's go to an EC2 instance. Okay, for some time, it will take some time. Yeah, now it is in running status. Here we can see an availability zone is AP South 1A. Okay, so if we check on the details, we'll be having the storage of 8 GB. So the device name will be XVDA. Okay, so volume of size 8 GB. Consider like there will be some case where this 8 GB will be full, as the storage will be completely filled up. So we need to add another volume to this same instance. So how can we do that? So yeah, first we'll check with the storage by SSHing it. So yeah, successfully we have logged into that machine, ls blk. So all this SSH how we can do, that I explained in a previous tutorial video. Yeah, here we can see the storage name xvda, that is a 8 GB. Presently we are having the storage. So yeah, now considered the storage is full, we need to add another storage. So there is a section called elastic block store, that is a EBS. In that, go to the volumes. So this is a by defaultly connected to that running instance. So here we'll create some new volume for a free tier, like it will be like general purpose SSD. So there are multiple volume types for the different requirement. So for learning purpose, like we'll use general purpose SSD. So we don't need a 100 GB, like we'll create 8 GB of storage with a 3000 IOPS, that is operations per second, and throughput 125 Mbps throughput will be getting. So here there are availability zones provided. So we need to select the 1A because our instance is running in AP South 1A. So there is no provision like where the volume and the EC2 will be connected with a different availability zone. So to create and mount an extra volume, that volume availability zone should be the same as the EC2. So yeah, that's why we have selected AP South 1A. Now let's create the volume. Yeah, it is successfully created. Yeah, now we have got a two 8 GB volumes. One is defaultly connected to that running instance. Now we need to connect this. So when you go and right click on it, you will be getting lots of options. So here we need to attach it. So click on the attach volume. So here as we have created in the AP South 1A, by defaultly all the running instance in that availability zone will be getting here. So this is our demo running instance, so I'm going to select it. If it is of 1B availability zone, we will be not getting this because the EC2 is not running in that availability zone. So yeah, we are going to give some name to it and attach volume. So yeah, we are going to check whether it is attached or no. Let us dive into that details of that machine. Going to refresh and check in the storage. So all these how to check the metrics, all these sections I have explained in the previous video. Please go through that tutorial. Yeah, now it is connected. So we can see here SDB volume of 8 GB has been attached to this machine. So now we have 16 GB of volume. So we are going to cross check. So initially when we checked for the mount points, we have had only 8 GB, that is XVDA. Now I am going to execute the same. Yeah, here we can see this is the 8 GB disk by defaultly which we get, and this is the 8 GB disk which we have attached it now. So totally we are having 16 GB of volume. So yeah, this is the way where you can add volume to the instance. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, and don't forget to delete the volume of once your work is done. As for the beginner or a learner, you need to delete or remove the unused volumes. So yeah, thank you guys.